down around the corner, but I can't move my from here. See some funky brother, he's trying to disappear. Without love, where would you be right now? Love. There's a girl named Sue, she lives down by the track. She left her home and family, ain't never going back. Without love, where would you be right now? Love. Funky woman, she's trying to take a break. Keep on the truckin', mama, and you know we're moving late. Without love, where would you be right now? Without love, that the world keeps on turning and the wheels go round and round. If you don't go home, mama, then you're bound to feel locked down. Without love, where would you be right now? Love, where would you be now?
Hanging out in New Orleans, digging all the Burma scenes, just feeling the vibes of the oncoming days. Ain't no Texan chaparral to hide away the southern bells. Just thinking about that Georgian gal conjures a craze. Got a thing in Tennessee, she ain't about to marry me. There's never been a time she said yes and means no. Had a case in Caroline from making love on rosé wine.